Have you ever wondered why some people keep getting richer while others stay stuck, no matter how hard they try? This isn't luck. This isn't coincidence. This is a system. From the moment you were a child, you were told to study hard, get a job, earn a stable income. But no one ever explained why, after years of working, you're still not financially free. Because the truth is, the most important lessons about money were never taught to you. The rich understand something most people don't. Financial education is everything. They know the difference between assets and liabilities. An asset puts money in your pocket. A liability takes it out. And most people spend their entire lives buying things they think are assets, but are actually keeping them poor. The rich don't work for money. They build systems that make money work for them. Businesses, investments, cash flow. Because one income is not security, it's risk. It's not about how much you earn. It's about how much you keep and how it flows. The rich don't avoid taxes. They understand the rules better than anyone else. And while most people wait for the perfect moment, the rich act. They invest again and again, because time is the most powerful asset of all. Everything begins in your mind. If you believe money is dangerous, you will avoid it. If you fear failure, you will never try. But the rich think differently. They adapt. They learn. They move with the world, while others stay frozen and fall behind. Relying on one income is like standing on one leg. Eventually, you will fall. That's why the rich build multiple streams of income, because they understand something deeper. Financial intelligence is the real currency of the world. Here's the uncomfortable truth. The system is not broken. It's working exactly the way it was designed. Just not for you. And most people will never escape it. Not because they're not smart enough. Not because they don't work hard, but because they never learned the rules. But now you know. And once you see it, you can't unsee it. So the question becomes, what are you going to do next? Will you keep following the same path, hoping things will change? Or will you finally step back and realize you were playing the wrong game all along? Because the moment you understand money, everything changes. The way you think, the way you act, the way you live, and the life you build. From that moment forward, will never be the same again. Because what you don't know about money is costing you everything. If something inside you just woke up, don't ignore it. Most people feel this and scroll away. They go back to the same life, the same limits. But a few people pause. They choose differently. If you're one of them, then stay close. Because what you just discovered is only the beginning. Like the video, subscribe, and step into a different life.